Yo, what's up? This is Stefan from Design Trip. In this tutorial we will use Drawplus to create an outdoor patch. Okay, to start, let's draw out a circle with the quick ellipse tool. Let's give this a white fill and a blue stroke. I'm actually using my own color palette here, but you can use your own colors. Alright, and let's give this a 10-point stroke. Then let's copy this by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And then dragging it inward by holding Ctrl and Shift. Alright, and let's give this one a 5-point stroke. Yeah, and we're gonna copy this one again. Just zoom in so that you see it better. And then let's give it the same color, the same blue color as the rest. Alright, now select the ellipse tool, and there's a handle on the left, and just drag it until you get a half circle. And now let's rotate it, and there's our half circle. Alright, next up is the mountains. So let's select the triangle tool. And here also the same colors as the rest. And just scale up the middle one. Now let's select the pen tool and let's draw out the snow shapes. This can be rough because we can always adjust these shapes later. That's pretty cool about paths, you can always adjust them later. Let's give this a white fill and drop the contour. So I'm gonna do the rest of the shapes and speed up the video. Yo, next up I want to cut out some shapes out of the snow. So let's select the triangle tool. And let's give it a black color so that we can see it. Drop the contour on this one. And then let's adjust this shape with the node tool. And let's make it thinner. And then let's select both of the shapes, go to the Arrange menu and hit Subtract. Now it's cut out of the snow shape. And just do this a few times for the other shapes as well. Alright, let's add some text with the artistic text tool. And I'm using a font called Open Sans here. It's a free font, but you can use any sans serif font here. And just write out Explore in all caps. And then just make it wide and bold. And play around with it till it fits. And then for the second text, it's just the same text but a bit smaller. Now let's center the Go text. So let's select the Go text and then also by holding Shift select the inner circle and hit center horizontally from the top menu. And let's repeat the same process for Explore. There you go, it's centered. So next up, let's add some text on the path. Let's copy the inner circle, drop the fill, just give it a contour and just give that a bright color so that you can see it. Just make it smaller. And then let's select the artistic text tool again and hover over your contour till you see a wavy line, and then just type out your text. So right now the problem is that the text is actually on the outside of the circle and we want it on the inside of the circle. So you can do this by selecting the right mouse button and then just select curve text and hit reverse curve. Alright, now it's on the inside of it. Now just play around with the start till it's nicely in the middle. If I want to add some stars, stars always look good on badges, so let's drag out a star from the quickshapes tool and give it a white fill. Now let's copy it by holding Ctrl. And we want to align this, so select all of the stars and hit align bottom from the top menu. And then also distribute horizontally so that they are spaced out evenly. And now the outer ones have to go up a bit, so let's drag out a guideline and just align them to the top of the guideline. There you go, some stars. Yeah, I don't like my mounts at the moment, so I'm gonna fast forward and make some final adjustments. Alright, to wrap it up, let's select all the elements and then from the tools menu select convert to curve. As a final touch, I want to give the outer border a darker color. There you go. Alright, that's it. That's our outdoor badge. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something and I'll see you the next time.